The MAS200R is shipped in a box containing all the items and tools needed for its installation onto the flashy A1112. Here we can locate a spare piston, a 32-position sample tray. A set of installation tools are also included. Locate the rubber O-ring in the set of installation tools. Insert this O-ring into the auto sampler as shown here. Now, we connect the two fittings together as shown here. And then attach it to the auto sampler. It is further tightened in place using the dedicated key provided in the outfit. The MAS200R is then placed onto the left-hand side reactor for CHNS analysis. The fixing nut is then tightened with the hands. No tools must be used. Now, we connect the cable from the auto sampler to the connector marked auto sampler at the rear of the analyzer. Prior to placing the sample tray onto the auto sampler, check that the transparent plastic cover is placed with the correct side up. The sample tray can accommodate up to 32 samples, numbered 0 to 31. It is provided with a reference pin to be introduced into the seat marked 0. The correct alignment of the pin is critical for the installation of the sample tray on MAS200R. Manually rotate the toothed wheel clockwise until the guide located on its rim is perfectly aligned with the metal pin of the auto sampler body. Check that the tray reference pin is in alignment with the seat marked 0. Place the sample tray onto the toothed wheel, paying attention to have the base match with the guides. Now, we will look at the connection of the PTFE tubings to the respective inlets and outlets. The following aluminum sleeves, nuts, and PTFE tubings required to make the connections are found in the standard outfit. We measure a loose length of PTFE tubing required to connect the outlet from the right-hand side metal fitting to position number 3 gas connection port on top of the analyzer. We then attach the nut, followed by the aluminum seal to the tubing. The nut hand seal is connected onto the gas port number 3 and screwed into the port to make a proper screw thread. It is easier to use one of the gas port on the analyzer for preparing the screw thread before connecting it to the reactor fitting. We repeat the procedure for the other end of the tubing. Now, the tubing is ready to be fixed in place between gas connection 3 and the reactor fitting. The gas port number 4 is left open to vent to atmosphere in the current configuration being demonstrated. Now, we connect gas port 2 on the analyzer to gas port 2 on the auto sampler using another length of PTFE tubing, with nut and aluminum seal prepared in the same manner as before. Gas port 1 on the analyzer is connected to gas port 1 of the auto sampler in the same way.